So after you copy the file on the micro SD card, you need to put the front panel. So you need 3 hex screwdriver. One is 5, 2.5, and 1.5. So you need to unscrew these 2 bolts first here. One here. And just make sure before put the micro SD card inside on the board, you make sure the printer is turned off. And then here are 2 set screws. You just make them loose. Just make them loose. That's enough. You don't have to take them out. And take the front panel, remove it, and just be careful with this cable, ribbon cable here. And the other hex screwdriver. Open these 4 screws here. These 4 bolts here. And take the back panel out, and here's a micro SD card, right? And put it in this SD card slot, and just click it once, and then turn on the printer. All right, let's see what's happening. The wanhao logo comes up. Yeah, just be patient. It takes like a few minutes, or maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It's just updating the files into display screen. There are new features, something really interesting, new interface, and one of the features added is like bed leveling. So we wait and see how it works actually. And just remember, after it finished the upgrade, you need to turn off the printer and actually remove the SD card, because if the SD card is inside, it still keep upgrading. You know, every time you turn it on and turn it off. So you have to be, you have to pay attention to this. Just remove the SD card after the upgrading is finished. At the end, it goes blank. You know, it goes blank. So that's the time actually upgrading is done. I think it goes for 1 more time. So. Yeah, you see, printing, utilities level, choose file, it's new interface and design. So preheat, PLA, ABS. I think this is the last run, and then after that it goes to blank, you know. So then you can remove the SD card and turn off and turn on the printer again. Alright, there you go. I think that's finished. So I'm going to take out the micro SD card, as I told you, and then put it back. I'm sure there is something new. We can have a look together. Alright, I forgot to turn off the printer. Put the back panel back and use the proper hex screwdriver to screw back the bolts. I think I'm missing something here. Let me see. Let me go for another one. Alright. That shows how to actually upgrade your display screen. So I'm going for the last one, and then put it back again. Put the road backs. Alright. Make the set screws tight again. Alright, so make the set screws tight again. And these two last. Alright, there you go. So I'm going to turn on the printer and see what's happening. Wanhao logo comes up. And I'm sure there's something interesting. As you see, there's a new interface and print. I don't have any file in now. And utilities, you can go for preheat, home, XYZ, changing filament, remove filament, add filament, or something like load. Preheat also here. You can cool down the printer. You can disable the motors, and then let's go to setting, PID setting, motor setting, something like XYZ, and factory setting. But I think the most interesting part is here, leveling part. So, alright, as you see, so every time you tap on next, it goes to almost different spot of the print bed. So I'm clicking on next now. See, it automatically moves. And then if you feel the bed is not level, then you need to use these screws actually to tighten or lose it, or to in case, in order to level the print bed. One more time. Press next. It goes to other side of the print bed. Next again. Next. 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 I think that's all, so it goes for the next time. So in case you want it back to home page, you just click on back, and then you'll have the home page actually. So this is all I can tell you about now. And then in case you have any question, you can drop email at support@wanhao3dprinter.com. It's a new interface, new design, some new features, and as I showed you, you need to copy the file on a micro SD card, put it on the display setting board, and then it automatically upgrade files. And then after that, just remember, turn off the printer, and then turn on the printer, then it goes to upgrade. That's all for now. If you have any question, you can contact us. Thanks for watching.